County in north central Texas, Central Collin County in north central Texas, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Salina, or 10 miles north of Frisco, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tennis ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expected damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Plano, McKinney, Frisco, Richardson, Allen, Wiley, Satch C, Little Elm, Murphy, Prosper, Fairview, Princeton, Salina, Lucas, Parker, Aubrey, Lowry Crossing, Crossroads, Melissa, and St. Paul. Prepare for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. The National Weather